Hi, this is Matt from Mercedes-Benz of Smithtown. A few months ago, we partnered with a company called Sunbit. Sunbit is a finance company that allows you to make repairs on your vehicle now and pay for them later. And the reason why we did that is because sometimes with owning a vehicle, there are some unexpected repairs that come about that do cause financial stress on people. So what we wanted to do is we wanted to create a program that gave you 0% financing for up to 3 months. And basically what you could do is with just the checkout link from one of us here at the dealership, you can get approved within 30 seconds. This is a great program in order to make repairs on your vehicle without having to worry about the financial stress at this time. You can find these programs out on our website under our service location. And once again, my name is Matt from Mercedes of Smithtown. You can reach out to me for any questions, or you can call any one of our service advisors here to get the approval link sent. Thank you.